help choose the best appliance for your needs, here we'll explain the different integrated microwaves and combination microwave oven models in the AEG range. We'll also highlight some of the benefits of microwave and combi-quick cooking and answer some commonly asked questions. Firstly, an integrated microwave or combination microwave oven is one that slots into your kitchen units seamlessly, saving you lots of space on the worktop and creating a sleek and uniform design. They are classed as compact appliances and have a width of 60 cm, height of 45 cm and max depth of 57 cm. This is an industry standard size and will fit into any standard compact oven housing unit. Many people choose to install a suite of integrated appliances, either in a row or in columns, and a microwave oven is a great kitchen addition, giving you all the benefits of multiple appliances but in one compact design. When positioning vertically above an oven, the compact must sit on a shelf. However, if you are replacing a standard oven with a compact appliance, then you can fill the remaining space in the aperture with a 15 cm warming or vacuum packing drawer, which the compact can sit on directly. AEG also offers solo or pure microwaves that are 36 cm tall. These are not to be confused with microwave combination ovens and will not align horizontally with a warming drawer. When it comes to installation, bear in mind that you will need an approved electrician to connect the appliance, test it and certify the work. If you buy directly from aeg.co.uk, we offer an additional home delivery and installation service by a qualified installer. In the AEG range, you have a choice of traditional microwaves, microwave and grill models and combi-quick appliances, which give you all the features of a multifunction oven and a traditional microwave, but with the added benefit of being able to combine functions for fast and delicious results. You can choose from designs with a command wheel, touch controls, or rotary dials. Traditional microwaves and microwave grills have many benefits. They're ideal for cooking or reheating when time is tight, are great for defrosting, and help to lock in the taste, flavour and nutritional content of food. Traditional microwaves don't colour or brown food, but models with the added grill function allow you to rapidly cook, brown and add that extra crisp to your dishes. However, combination microwave cooking, otherwise known as combi-quick, offers you all of these benefits and more. By combining all the features of a modern multifunction oven with the optional addition of microwaves, you can grill, roast and bake in up to half the time, but with no compromise in flavour, colour, texture or quality. If you need any more help or advice, either before purchasing or after your new appliance arrives, our dedicated consumer care team will be happy to help.